not financial advice. GameStop is back in the headlines today, and it's interesting because even some of the biggest critics are starting to ask a question that would have sounded ridiculous a year ago. Is GameStop becoming the next Berkshire Hathaway? The comparison doesn't mean GameStop is Berkshire. The argument is that Ryan Cohen is transforming GameStop from a struggling retailer into a capital allocator with a massive balance sheet and the flexibility to make bold investments. Even the article ultimately argues the comparison is premature, but the fact it's being discussed at all shows how much the narrative has shifted. At the same time, Reuters reports GameStop is still pursuing its acquisition of eBay, despite eBay rejecting the initial proposal. Management says more details on the strategy are expected soon. This is where my long-term thesis comes in. I don't think the market is valuing GameStop as a chain of video game stores anymore. I think Ryan Cohen is trying to build the infrastructure for the next generation of digital commerce. Imagine combining eBay's global marketplace, GameStop's collectibles business, AI-powered shopping, creator monetization, and eventually integrations with live streaming and major gaming ecosystems. Picture watching your favorite streamer. AI recognizes every item they're using. A one-click purchase appears instantly. The creator earns passive income. The marketplace earns a transaction fee, and every live stream becomes an interactive storefront. Now imagine that extending into major gaming launches like GTA 6, where physical collectibles, digital assets, creator merchandise, and authenticated items all flow through the same ecosystem. That isn't today's business. It's the opportunity I believe Ryan Cohen is positioning the company to pursue. Recent earnings already showed Collectibles becoming an increasingly important growth engine, while profitability improved significantly. That's exactly the type of business pivot I'd expect if the company is preparing for something much larger than traditional retail. Could all of this fail? Absolutely. Could eBay remain independent? Of course. But if Cohen successfully combines acquisitions, AI, creator commerce, collectibles, and digital marketplaces into one platform, I believe Wall Street will eventually have to stop valuing GameStop like a mall retailer and start valuing it like a technology-enabled commerce platform. That's why I continue to follow this story so closely. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more GME content.